Kurt and I just moved the surface grinder. We're gonna pick it up Monday. It's a Herrig Super 612. But we're gonna go look back here, see what else is back here. This business closed down and all this stuff went up for auction. Huge machines. Look at the size of this thing. It's like gotta be 15 or 16 feet tall, and there's a bunch of them. All kinds of crazy stuff. Kurt's taking a look at this thing. Kurt is 150 pounds, 5'8", so you can see how big that machine is. Let's go look in the back. Look at that. They were like cutting metal when it just stopped. It's like they just walked away. Like they were working, and one day they went home from work, and then when just never opened again. Like it just stopped being a thing. But there's like racks of tooling, like crazy. CNCs everywhere. It's like a ghost town in here. We're the only ones in here. Like look, there's lights. The lights were still on over the CNCs. They left and never came back. Nuts. Look at that cabinet. There's these beautiful old Stanley metal cabinets, and they're just full of tooling, like crazy stuff. Nuts. Those are all like giant chuck jaws and things. It's so cool. It's really eerie to see this, and then the old CNCs. Oh, that one's locked. But like, there's like somebody's coffee cup, like they were drinking coffee and they went home, never to return. Crazy. Look at this thing. Super cool. Like the shavings are still there because they just vanished.